Hello again, grade 7. It's time for another flipped classroom lesson. Today's topic is how much can be dissolved. Now, a couple of classes ago, we looked at how water can be a solvent for almost anything. For the next 2 or 3 classes, we're going to find out more about substances that dissolve in water and how much of each substance can dissolve given a certain amount of water. Saturated solutions are solutions in which no more solute will dissolve at a given temperature. Unsaturated solutions, on the other hand, are solutions in which more of the solute can dissolve. Good old particle theory explains how this works. In a solution, heat causes the particles to heat up. Particles in the solvent attract and surround the particles in the solvent. There reaches a point where there are no more particles of solvent left to attract the remaining solvent particles. Solubility refers to the mass of a solvent that can dissolve in a given amount of solute at a specific temperature. This is good to know if we want to mix 2 items together. We will know how much of one item will dissolve completely and how much is left over. It is sometimes possible to go over the saturation limit. A solution that contains more solute than it is possible to dissolve at a given temperature is called a supersaturated solution. You can create one of these by mixing sugar crystals and water and then letting the solution cool. The solution will look clear, but if you add more sugar crystals, you will see a whole layer of crystals at the bottom of the container. Let's finish today's flipped classroom lesson by considering the following. I want you to come to class on Wednesday with answers for these. So think about it. Describe one example of a saturated solution. Describe one example of an unsaturated solution. Describe one example of a supersaturated solution. Whew! You have that, grade 7? See you Wednesday. Until then, the Kool-Aid Man would like to give you a refreshing treat. Delicious. Your questions. Have a good night. Bye-bye.